So which product is best for you, a half-head wig or a 7 set? If you have very short hair and you want a one-piece solution, then half-head wig is your product. If your hair are longer than shoulder and you want to add color, length and volume to your current hair, then you should buy a 7 set. So let me tell you the difference between both products. Half-head wig is a one-piece solution while 7 set has multiple pieces in it. Half-head wig will cover more than half of your head and it will protect your own hair from heat and styling damage. 7 set will be applied in your head beneath your own hair, so you have to apply heat on all over your head, including the hair extensions. Half-head wig is a time-saving product, while 7 set takes a bit more time than a half-head wig to install. But both of the products will add color, length and volume to your hair. So the conclusion is half-head wigs saves your own hair from heat and styling damage, and it also saves your styling time. Now you can decide which product is best for you. And if you have any more questions regarding any other product, you can ask us in the comments. We'll try to make another video on them.